Hello everyone. There's been a lot of questions about the whitelist. So we created a whitelist bot to help you all navigate through the whitelisting process. So here's how it works. When you get to our server, find the whitelist status channel. And then in the message in the channel, you will see the whitelist bot that's tagged. And the bot interacts with you via direct messages. And this is to prevent that everybody's Ethereum addresses are being sent around any of the channels. So this keeps things private. So click the bot name and just type help. Once you do that, the bot will tell you how to use it and what available commands are there. So there are two primary functions. First one is to check if you are on whitelist or not, and the second one, if you are on whitelist 3, to submit a request to be whitelisted. So first, to check that if you are on whitelist, type WL check and then paste your Ethereum address. This address needs to be in the 0x format. Click enter and the bot will tell you if you're on whitelist or not. This address is not whitelisted. So to add this address to the whitelist, if you are on whitelist 3, so if you want to be on whitelist 3, you need to have the whitelist 3 role first. To add yourself, type WL add WL3 and then paste your address. Give a few seconds to the bot. So the last message is very important. So once you do this, your address will be added to the database, but we need to check your invites manually. We still have to see how to build that into the bot. But now if you go and check again, the bot will tell you that your request is recorded. So it will tell you how many mint spots you have, which whitelist you belong, and is your entry completed or not. Now, give me 1 second, and I will complete this entry that we just made for the demonstration purposes. And this is how it looks like when your address is fully whitelisted. So it will tell you that your entry is complete, and you will see this message about the mint date. And the bot has some other features as well. So for example, if you try sending too many messages to the bot, it will warn you about being kicked out of the server. So please don't spam it, so we don't abuse our API. And the other important feature is if you are on whitelist 1 or whitelist 2, that was a big question for everybody. Why don't I have the whitelist 1 or whitelist 2 role? And right now I've just moved this address to whitelist 1. So if you check your whitelist entry and you happen to be on whitelist 1 or whitelist 2, you will automatically get the whitelist 1 role. So for example, I just got the whitelist 1 role. We can repeat the process so you can see again. And I got the whitelist 1 role. So this will work for whitelist 1 and whitelist 2. If it means a lot to you to have the whitelist 1 or whitelist 2 role, just use the bot to check your address and you will get a role. So once again, help gives you a list of all commands. Remember to replace this address with your address before typing any commands. That would be it. Thank you.